Hello student, how are you? Very good. Standard 7 Mathematics, multiplication and divisions of integers. Now previous year we learned about the divide one positive integer by another positive integer. Look at the board. 12 divided by 6, 2. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So 2. Now look here. 12 divided by 6, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. Now subtraction 0 or 0, 6 called divisor, 12 is the dividend, 2 is the quotient and 0 is the reminders. Now look here, the another example. We also know that the quotient of such divisions may be an integers or a fraction. Now 5 divided by 2. Now 5 divided by 2, it's convert into numerators and denominators. So 2 twos are 4, remaining 1 and 2, it's mean 2 and half or 2 complete 1 upon 2. Sometimes we write this type 2 plus 1 upon 2. In this situation, we write 5 is the dividend, 2 is the divisor, also 2 is the quotient and 1 is the reminders. It's mean the both positive numbers, the quotient also positive. The division of both positive numbers, we got the quotient also positive. Now we learn about the both positive number. The quotient of both positive integers is a positive. The quotient of both positive integers is a positive. Now 96 is positive, divided by 16, 16 also positive. We got 96 divided by 16, 96 divided by 16, the quotient is 6. The quotient is 6. Another one, now 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5. So write 15 in the numerators, divisor write, it is dividend, it is divisor. Now use the table of 5. 5 threes are 15. The 96 positive, 16 positive, quotient 6 also positive, 15 positive, 5 positive, the quotient also positive. It means the quotient of both positive integers is a positive. Now we learn the divisions rule of second rules of divisions. The quotient of both negative numbers. The quotient of both negative is a positive. Now example given there, negative 100 divided by negative 20. Negative 100 divided by negative 20. Now negative 100 in the numerators, dividend right at the place of numerators, divisor right at the place of divisor, means 20. Now 20 ones are 20, 20 fives are 100. So negative and negative goes down. We got there 5. Another one example, negative 125 divided by 25. Now negative 125 divided by negative 25 is equal to 25 5s are 125. So quotient also both side 5 and 5. Means both examples are complete there. Okay. Now we learn the third rule of division. If one of the number is positive and other's number is negative, that time the quotient of a positive integers and a negative integers is always negative numbers. The quotient of a positive integers and a negative integers is always a negative numbers. Now the example, 100 is the positive divided by negative 20 is equal to 5. Negative 5. It is negative 5. Now look, 100, the dividend right at the place of numerators, the divisor right at the place of denominators. 20 ones are 20, 25s are 100. The both numbers are different sign, so write their sign. Here now the dividend negative 24 at the place of numerators, the divisor at the place of denominators. 9 6s are 54. The different sign, here positive sign, here negative sign. If the both numbers have different sign, write there negative. Student, today we learn about the divisions. There are 3 rules. If both numbers are positive, quotient positive. Second, both numbers are negative, quotient negative. And the one of the positive, another negative integers, that time we got the quotient negative. Do you understand? Very good. Now we get the different types of some example. Now look, negative 96 divided by 60. Okay. Now negative 96 divided by 16. You know the 96 available in the table of 16. 16 6 are 96. Now the negative sign right here, because the both numbers are different sign. But sometimes we saw, now look, negative 85 divided by 20. Negative 85 divided by 20. Now 85 is not available in the table of 20. That time negative 85 divided by 20, we got the biggest number 5. 5 divided by 20 divided by 5. So 5 for the 20. Now 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 8 minus 5. How many remaining? 3. 5 sevens are 35. 5 sevens are 35. We got negative 17 divided by 4. Now 4 for the 16. 4 ones are 4. 4 for the 16. Now 17 minus 16, 1 remaining. There 4. The 4 use also here, and remaining number. Okay. There are negative sign, so write here negative sign. So many people use this type. Negative 4 plus 1 upon 4. Do you understand? Get others example again. Now 100 divided by 60. Now 100 divided by 60. Actually 100 is not available in the table number of 60. So use the biggest number which is divided the both numbers. So use number 20. Now 23 are 60 and 25 are 100. 5 upon 3. Again 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 5 minus 3, 2 remaining. So write here, and these 3 write at the place of denominators. Now look. This dividation, 5 divided by 3, 3 ones are 3, 2 remaining. These 2 also use here, the 3 use here, and 1 of the here. Okay. Now we got we get another example. 78 divided by 65. 78 divided by 65. Every time the dividend write at the place of numerators and divisor write at the place of denominators. Now 78 not available the table number of 65. That time we use the biggest number which is divided both sides. It means 78 as well as 65. The both numbers are divided by a same biggest number. Now 13. The number 13 is divided to both sides. 78 as well as 65. Now 65 divided by 13. 30 5s are 35s are 65 and 36 are 13 6 are 13 5s are 65, 13 6 are 78, 6 upon 5. Now again 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 6 minus 5, 1 remaining 5. This dividation use, look, 5 ones are 5. So 1 right at the place here, 1 remaining in the numerators and divisor always at the place of denominators. So many people use 1 complete 1 upon 5. 1 plus 1 upon 5. 1 complete 1 upon 5 is the reading. Do you understand? Now we learn about the number line, showing the integers and fractions on number line. Now 0 is the origin point, midpoint. Its side is right and other side is left. To your right hand, right side, and to your left hand, left side. Now from 0, 1 unit distant, right side 1, positive 1. Next, from 0, 2 unit distant is 2. 3 unit distant is 3. 4 unit distant is 4. Same condition, left side, from 0, 1 unit distant, negative 1. 2 unit distant, negative 2. 3 unit distant from 0, negative 3. 4 unit distant from 0, 4. Right side number always positive, left side number always negative. The distance are same between 2 digits, 2 integers every time. It is called 1 unit distance. It is called 1 unit distance. Now it is positive integers and left side negative integers. Every time 0 is the midpoint. 0 is the midpoint. Now 1 unit distant, right side positive 1 and left side -1. These both numbers are opposite, -1 and +1. Okay. From 0, 2 unit distance, +2 right side and -2 2 unit distance. After 2 unit distance, -2 to the left side, means -2 and +2 is the opposite number. It means the opposite numbers available on number line towards the opposite side and equal distance from 0, means 1 unit distance +1, 1 unit distance -1, 2 unit distance +2 right side, 2 unit distance -2 left side, 4 unit distance from 0 right side 4 and 4 unit distance from 0 -4 towards the left side. The both numbers +4 and -4 opposite, +3 and -3 opposite, -2 and +2 opposite, -1 and 1 is opposite. It means opposite number available on number lines to the both side of 0 and it have a equal distance from 0. Now we learn about the integers. The integers on number line. Now look, it is 0, 1 unit distance 1, 2 unit distance 2, 3 unit distance 3, 4 unit distance 4 to the right side. Now 1 unit distance -1, 2 unit distance -2, 3 unit distance -3, 4 unit distance -4 towards the left side. Now the 1 unit distance divided 2 equal parts. How many parts? 2 equal parts. Now look, 1 and 2. Also this 1 unit distance divided into 2 equal parts. The other sides also 2 parts, 1 and 2. These parts 1 and 2. Now which number we write here? Listen. It is the first part from 0. So write 1. It is second part from 0. So write 2. It is third part from 0. So write 3. It's a fourth part. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth part from 0. So write 4. Now listen again. From 0, this is first part. So write 1. This is second part. So write 2. From 0, it is third part. 1, 2, 3. From 0, these parts are 4. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Same condition here. But -1, -2, -3 and -4. Now numerators parts is complete. Now denominators. How many parts of 1 unit distance? 2 parts. How many parts? We use their 2 parts of 1 unit distance, first and second. So write denominators is 2. 2. Same condition, opposite side. Now look, it is 2 ones are 2. The answer, the quotient here, -2. The one of the negative, another positive. So 1. Now -4 divided by 2, we got the quotient -2. It is available on number line. Now look, 2 ones are 2, both are positive. 2 ones are 2. The 1 is the quotient. Here 2 twos are 4. So 2 is the quotient. Now this is 1 and half part, means from 0 half complete 1, 1 and half and 2. Do you understand? Listen again. Again we learn the next number line. 0, 1 and 2. Opposite side -1 and -2. Now 1 unit distant, 2 unit distant from 0, 1 unit distant, 2 unit distant. Okay. Now the 1 unit distant divided into 3 equal parts. How many parts? 3 parts. Means denominator is 3. Do you understand? Listen again. How many parts of 1 unit distant? 1, 2, 3. It means 3 is the denominators. Do you understand? So it is first part from 0, 1 upon 3. It is second part from 0, 2 upon 3. It is third part from 0, so 3 upon 3. Now 3 upon 3 means 3 divided by 3. How many quotient? 1. Very good. Now 1 unit distance divided into equal 3 parts. Now which is the numerators? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here 6. Now 1 unit distance divided into 3 parts. So write there 3, 3 and also 3. Now 6 divided by 3, we got quotient 2. Do you understand, student? Same condition opposite side. -1 upon 3, -2 upon 3, -3 upon 3, -4 upon 3 and -5 upon 3. -6 upon 3. Now -6 upon 3 means 3 twos are 6. Any problem? No? Very good.